Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts and welcome to our YouTube channel. Something that is super simple, super easy to do, but a lot of people miss the mark on it. At Liquid Concepts, we specialize in hydrographics, cerakote, custom painting, vehicle graphics, wraps, and a lot more. Mainly what you're going to find on the YouTube channel here is going to be specifically for hydrographics, but we're also going to have a lot of custom painting and a lot of other things in here to help make your life a little bit better. Every week we post a weekly tips and tricks video to help show you how it's done and how we do it here at our shop to help elevate your game to the next level. Today we're going to be doing a Spartan Jeep grill on dipping and intake manifold. Kind of help you guys understanding a little bit about the hydrographics as well as what base colors to use. So also don't forget to check out the website that has tons of products for anything hydrographic related that you're going to need to make sure that you have the best materials out there. I hope to see you guys out there on the channel, and as always, I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and we're making hydrographics great again.